Finding middle C on an acoustic piano or full-size 8/8 key keyboard is pretty straightforward. You sit in the middle and find a group of two black keys in front of you. And the middle C is the white key just to the left. But what if you have 76 keys, 61 keys, or smaller size like 49 keys? The different layout can make the whole piano map feel confusing. So today I'm going to show you how to find the middle C on different size of keyboard from 8/8 keys all the way down to 49. And not just the middle C, but treble C and bass C too, in just 5 seconds. Oh, one more thing. I just launched my official course, Butterfly Pianist, your child's first piano journey. And I've opened the first lesson, high and low, for free. If you're interested, just click the link below. Now, let's find those C's. My keyboard is a full-size 8/8 key keyboard, and I can find the middle C by sitting in the center and finding the two black keys right in front of me. And the white key to the left is middle C. And here is another simple way to find it. Look for the very first C from the far left, which is our lowest C. And C is always to the left of the two black keys. So here is the first C, and here is a second, and here is a third, and here is a fourth. And this fourth C right here is our middle C. So on 8/8 keys, middle C is always the fourth C from the left. But what if your keyboard is 76, 61, or 49 keys? Where is middle C in these keyboards? Let's find out. On a 76 key keyboard, this much is cut. So if you count from the left, the first, second, third C from the left becomes your middle C. On a 61 key and a 49 key keyboard, this much is gone, but it's still the third C from the left becomes the middle C. Now you found middle C in your keyboard. It's time to find treble C and bass C in just 5 seconds. Ready? The very next C above middle C is treble C, and the very next C below middle C is bass C. Most beginner level songs stay right within this range. Typically, your child will start to play this higher range with the right hand and this lower range with the left hand. By the way, do you see how nicely symmetrical this is? When we count the white keys from middle C going up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there are 8 keys. And now going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 keys again. Whether it's an 8/8 key or 49 key, these 3 C's always stay perfectly symmetrical around middle C. But here's where it gets really interesting. That perfect symmetry just so on the keyboard, that shows up in exactly the same way on the sheet music too. These 5 lines are called a staff. This top staff with a treble clef, we use our right hand. And the bottom staff with a bass clef, we use our left hand. And do you see 3 notes here? They are the same 3 C's we found on the keyboard. Middle C has its own short line in the middle and sits between the top and bottom staff. Treble C sits in the third space of the top staff, which is treble staff. Bass C sits in the third space of the bottom staff, which is bass staff. Now, can you see what we found on the keyboard? Treble C and bass C are perfectly metered around middle C. Not quite seeing it? Then how about this? The 3 C's on the keyboard and the 3 C's on the staff are exactly matching. These notes become our anchors for finding other notes. We call them landmark notes. Most beginners start by memorizing one note at a time. But instead, your child can learn to read from a reference point and direction. Is the next note higher or lower than meter C? How many steps is this note up from meter C? That makes note reading and playing at the same time much faster and easier. This is exactly how I teach from day 1 in my course, Butterfly Pianist. Going up, going down. Let's go. Once your child understands high and low on the piano, they are ready for the perfect start to playing and reading music. So if you want your child to start piano in a fun and engaging way through a story-based journey, check out the link below and watch the free video today.